Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Journal of Standard 11 Commerce, subject account. So today we are going to see GST and again the asset related GST. So when we are purchasing asset, that time how we are going to pay the GST if our purchase of asset is from within the state or if it is outside the state. That type of transaction today we are going to see. So this is the 15th part of the same chapter and 1 to 14th part is linked in the description. So let's see the sum number 15. Write the journal entry from the following transaction in the books of Sri Vipul Patel of Vadodara. Applicable GST to business of Sri Vipul Patel is CGST is 9% and SGST is also 9% and IGST is 18%. GST is not included for the following transactions. So add the applicable GST and pass the journal entry. So here we are going to prepare journal entry. Example number 15. Journal entry. In the books of Sri Vipul Patel. So let's prepare the journal of Sri Vipul Patel. So here, very first column is for date. Then particular, ledger folio number, debit amount, credit amount. Again, we are going to prepare date, particular, ledger folio number, debit amount, credit amount. So let's start the sum. So very first transaction is it furniture of rupees 20,000 purchase from Surti Furniture Mart of Surat and payment is made by check. So here we have purchased the furniture. So furniture will be coming in the business furniture account debit and for that we are going to pay input CGST, input SGST and that amount we have paid by check. So to bank account, that journal entry we are going to pass. So 2019 January 1st furniture account debit, input CGST account, input SGST account to bank account. So here we have purchased the furniture of rupees 20,000 and applicable rate is a 9%. So 9% of 20,000 will be 1800 and another 1800. So the total of this will be 23,600 being furniture purchased and Payment made through check. So this was the first transaction. Now let's see the second. Computer of rupees 30,000 purchase from James Computer of Jamnagar. So here we have purchased the computer and that is also from inside the Gujarat. So for that also again we are going to pay input CGST, input SGST. So computer account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. 2. Here it is a credit transaction. So we are going to credit the James Computer. So for that, the second transaction is a computer account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. 2. James Computer account. And here we have purchased the computer of 30,000 and 9% of 30,000 will be 2,700. 2,700 and total of that will be 35,400. So that is going to be total here being computer purchased from James Computer. Computer purchased from James Computer. For that. Now let's see the next. Next transaction is a machine of rupees 1 lakh purchased from Raj Machinery Store of Delhi. So here we are purchasing machinery from Delhi. For that we are going to pay input IGST. So machinery account debit, input IGST account debit. 2. Bank that journal entry we are going to pass. For the third, machinery account debit, then input IGST account debit. 2. Bank account. Here we have purchased the machine of rupees 1 lakh and GST is a 18%. IGST is a 18%. So that will be 18,000. So total amount will be 1,18,000 being machinery purchase. Machinery purchase and payment made through check. For that. Okay. So for that. Now fourth transaction is a air condition of rupees 3 lakh are purchased from for business from Savjanand Enterprise of Ahmedabad and payment made through check. So here we have purchased air condition. So air condition account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. To bank that journal entry is going to be passed. So here air conditioner account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. To bank account. Here we have purchased the condition of rupees 3 lakh, and 9% of 3 lakh will be 27,000. So 27,000 will be CGST, 27,000 will be SGST, and total of this will be 3,54,000. So that is going to be total amount. And now being air condition, purchased and payment made through check. So for that. So here our sum is finished. Now we are going to make the total of this, and the total must be same both sides. 5,31,000, 5,31,000. So it is the identical both sides. Student, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.